Good morning, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Advaith, and this is my friend Alam. And today we are here with two experiments. One is air shaft management innovation and action of steam on metal. Action on action of steam of metal is mainly it's to show that the metal will displace the hydrogen and oxygen in the water. So first we'll keep a glass wool inside it, inside the test tube. Then we'll keep some magnesium metal ribbons. Then we'll keep the delivery tube into the beaker. So when we heat the glass wool, the water which inside the glass wool will react with the metal. Thus, the water which has hydrogen and oxygen, the hydrogen will displace and it comes out through the delivery tube outside the soap solution. This is my second experiment. It's not like an experiment, it's more like an innovation. This is aircraft. This is called air shaft management innovation. This is mainly done because nowadays, even in modern times, even though air transport is like the safest mode of transport, still many accidents have occurred through airplanes in recent years. That's why I made this innovation. So in this innovation, if there's a type of problem with the airplane, for example, like in an emergency situation, like engine loss or loss of control, the pilot will like pull a lever or click a switch through which the whole entire passenger cabin will come down through parachutes, thus saving all the passengers from losing their lives. This is mainly done with hot air balloons and parachute principle. The hot air balloon, it's not made with helium. It's made with atmospheric. It's made with atmospheric air, which enters it when there is an emergency situation. When we click the switch, it comes down and the emergency fuel heats the hot air balloon, and then it creates a drag force, thus decreasing the amount of pressure which is on the fall, thus saving all the passengers lives. Thank you.